How's it going, guys? Zephyr here, and in today's video I'm actually going to show you guys what I have over on the side here, how to add ranks into your little system here. Now I'm going to be showing you guys two different methods. One allows you to display numbers, which I'll show here real quick. Let's do that. Oh, that's there. So now I can add numbers to my scoreboard system, so I can have ranks if you guys want to add ranks to your system. Otherwise, if you wanted to, you could have it where I have one for owner, or if I do tag, I want to remove my owner tag and activate these three. So like here, if I want to add it for players who have been playing based on how long they've been playing, like right now I'm at 0 hours, and once they get to like here 0+ hours for the newcomer, then we have member and OG. For the member, you have to be playing for 6+ hours. So see, my time has changed to 6 hours. Now my rank is updated to member. And for OG, for people who've been playing for quite a while, if they play a total of 15 days or more, or if their hours is 360 plus, then they'll be upgraded to the OG rank. I'm just going to remove that. And then if you want to have some for your administrators online, or if you have mods, or for your owner, those ones are going to be based off of tags. I'll just show that real quick. So like if you're mod 19, let's just say that's the tag that you have for moderators. So now you can see their rank is mod. And if I want to make me an admin, then I just give myself the tag admin21. Now I'm an admin, and then if you're the owner, you can do owner72 for your tag. These can all be changed based on how you want to run your server. So if I just do /tag excel for remove owner /tag excel for remove admin, and then tag excel for remove mod, now you can see I'm back to newcomer, or if I was member, I can still add my owner tag, and it'll just kind of cover it up. So then I can just remove owner, and I'll go back to member. And as you can see, the timer is still counting on the side, so that still works. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out for time played, how to set that up. If you guys haven't seen the video on money, I'll briefly describe it and go through the commands on this real quick for you guys as I go through. It is going to look a little complicated. It's not that bad once you know what you're doing. Once you get the first one built, you can basically just copy and paste it and then just edit it a little bit. So I'll open up these so that you can see what they look like, and then I'll open up a text file so you guys can see it without all the colors and stuff in it. But for the first one, this is what it's going to look like. And like I said, I'll add there's going to be a link in the description for a text file that has all these commands in it. So if you're on PC, or if you are wherever, if you're able to download text files, you can go ahead and download that text file and then just copy the commands. And then we have the member one, and basically what this is doing is these are testing for at all with a score for their hour is equal to between 0 and 5. And then it'll set their rank to newcomer. Same thing with the member. If the score is between 6 and 359 for hours, then it'll display their rank as member. And then same thing for OG. If it's 360 or more, then it'll display OG. And then for the administrators, we just have it based if your tag is equal to mod 19. While it's not, when it's not admin or owner, then it'll display the rank mod. Same thing for here, except for if your tag is admin but not owner, it'll display admin. Or if your tag is owner, then it will display the owner rank. And then let me go ahead and I'll just remove these real quick, and I will actually activate the rank one here. So if I do /scoreboard players set myself ranks, if I just set it to 5, you can see it updates on the side there. And how this one is, it's basically a little bit shorter from the last one. If you want to have this one, it's going to be the same as before. You don't have to have any parameters in here. Then your rank is just going to be the name of your objective, which is ranks. So what you're going to want to do when you're setting this up to make sure you add a scoreboard that's named balance with an uppercase B. You're going to want to add hour, all lowercase, a scoreboard named min for minutes, all lowercase, and a scoreboard named sec for seconds, all lowercase, and then for this one, you also want to add a scoreboard named ranks, all lowercase. But if you're doing this other one where it displays the text, you do not need the ranks scoreboard. So let's just get that all set up. So let's go ahead and I'll actually pull up this document here, and this is what it's going to look like when you download it. This is just a little bit more laid out, straight out, so you guys can kind of see it a little bit better. I kind of explain it here. I have a layout here in between each brackets is each different section that I have laid out in the normal ranks here, and these are the ones that you're going to need to set up for ranks with the text. So like where it says newcomer or member, that's the one you're going to want to use here, and this is just the one for if you want to just have numbers here. So you want to go ahead and set it up with a /title raw at all, then add your parameters. Like mine is the owner tag for this first one. Then you're going to want to do title and raw text. It's like here, this is where we're going to start here. So if I do /title raw at all title, then raw text. Actually do that. So this is basically everything's going to go, you're going to want to set it up like this, and everything's going to go in the middle here in between these two normal brackets, and that's where you can copy this into place. That's where I have the first one here, this little bracket here to add a space, that one there, and you're going to put your text in between these two brackets. And make sure when you're adding these, you want to put a comma in between it. So if you want to do text and then you want to do your scoreboard objective after it, you're going to want to do a comma, and then you're going to want to paste this after it inside these brackets. So like here, up here, you can see I have a text, comma, and then selector, which is one of the new things too. This is how I displayed my name in game. If you go ahead and see how at the top of the scoreboard on the side it has my name there. So that's what the selector does. You just copy this, and then the star just says it to the current player that it's executing at, so you don't have to change anything there. And then if you want to do, like here, this was text, which I did this one, and then the name of the player, which I did selector, and then I did some more text through here, and then which is this one. Don't forget the comma in between each one of these bracketed sections. And then for the numbers here, this is where you're going to want to add this one right here, where it's score, name, objective, and inside these quotes, you're going to add the name of your objective. Like for example, if you want to do your name of your money system, like mine is balance, that's where you put it right there, and that'll display your number here. And then I added another text section here from here down to here, and then the time played is a little bit longer here because then you have to go back and forth between text and objective. So I did the objective for hour, and then I did a text stating the H and then a space, and then objective for minutes, and then displayed M0 or M space, and then objective for seconds, and then S, and then this goes all the way down, and you just put the name of the objective for the person based on however you want to set it up for this system. So like how I said before, if you're a newcomer, you're just going to want to display rank and then type in the name, as long as their scores are in the objective hour between 0 and 5. And then I also have all this up here just so that if they don't have these tags, then I'll display the newcomer one here. And then for the ranks one, the ranks with numbers only, I just have it normal, no brackets, none of this stuff right here. I don't need that because this will just, down at the end where I have it, where it's ranks, like right here, it's displaying ranks because it's a text bracketed area. So it'll be rank, and then I add another score objective, which is mine named ranks, which will display the number, and then I just finish it off with the line down there. So like how you see on the side where it says rank member, that's all one text space. But if I go over here, then it changes to rank space, and then it does the objective scoreboard for ranks, which is all laid out in here. Don't forget to download the actual resource pack that is needed for this. That will be in the description along with that text file. If you guys have any questions or just want to hang out, go check out my Discord. It's down in the description. Please leave a like, subscribe, leave comments, anything. I'll be here. Alright, this has been Zephyr, and peace out.